Hi, everyone. I just wanted to take a minute to talk about the Swiss Army knife of industrial manufacturing. Is a great way to think about it. It's Excel. So during my time in industrial manufacturing, I found that Excel really gets treated like the Swiss Army knife, the technology tool to solve all of the problems of the day. Um, it can be good, but it can also be a pretty big hindrance. It can be bad. But why can it be bad? Um, an organization's operations are measured and rewarded on being on time and on budget. In the real world, this often seems like an impossible task, but it happens every week. And really the challenge is that operations are not designed or measured on testing out technology. And in fact, the very notion of that, it detracts from the on time and on budget objectives of operations. Unfortunately, this is exactly what happens when operations use Excel as a technology solution. Excel is great for solving the problems of today, but it is not a technology solution. It doesn't scale across your business. It's not robust. As I'm sure you probably know, it is really, really crappy at sharing information. It's not intended to have process change built in. You can probably try, you may find some workarounds, but eventually it's going to break. So QMSC deploys with a light touch to operations and replaces or integrates with those all of that historical data that you have collected in Excel. And the best part is that we're going to help you solve the problems that you're trying to solve using those Excel spreadsheets, and really remove the problem from some time off in the very near future. We are going to make it really easy to remove that problem from the process, just as easy as it was to deal with the problem in Excel in the past. But you'll have a robust solution in place. It will scale across your business. Ultimately, we're going to bring speed, transparency, and clarity to you and your team.